that in today's class I will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is number system. Okay. So students, in number system we will study about the different types of number. Suppose you is in your daily life you use this type of numbers. You use like the numbers like the decimal numbers which are made by the digits 0 to 9. Okay. So if I first move on decimal number, so this is decimal number, this one, uh, this one. So what is the what definition should be on decimal numbers? So let be very careful. Yes, students, is there any problem with you? So students, listen about the decimal numbers very clearly. So the students, the number which is made by two digits, that means 0 and 0 to 9, is called decimal numbers. Okay, the numbers which is made by two digits, listen very carefully. I'm sorry, two, not two digits, 0 to 9, that means 10 digits. The numbers which is made by 10 digits is called decimal number. That's why its name is decimal number. Okay, so if you will ask, sir, how, which is the number? So number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if you will count 0 to 9, then it becomes 10 digit. Okay students, so a decimal number will have the base 10. So suppose if I am writing 1 to 3, so 1 to 3 is made by 1, it is made by 2, it is made by 3. So these all digits are belongs to the 0 to 9. So can we say that a decimal number is made by the digits 0 to 9? We can say that our digits is made by 0 to 9. Is it clear? So students, how you will write the decimal number? Basically you will write the decimal number which are having base 10. So suppose I have a number 1 2 3, then how I will write? I will write like this, just see, 1 2 3 bracket, and here will be 10. Are you able to see this? So 1 to 3 base 10. So this is a decimal number because it is having base 10 and it is made by the digits 1 to 3, which lies between 0 to 9. Okay. So next, if someone will ask you ki what is the most significant digit, what is the least significant digit? Okay students. Okay. So basically student, this one, this number, this one and this one, just be very serious about this. The rightmost number is called the least significant digit. That means this 3 is called, which is least significant digit. Is it clear? Is it clear? And the left and the left one is called most significant digit. Why? Because students, you know, who is writing on the screen? Who is writing? So students, because the rightmost play a very important role. Suppose if I do 0, then the number will be very small. If I do 2, the number will be very big. So this rightmost play a very that means it will play a most important thing. So that's why it is called most significant digit, and the rightmost is not having so much significance, that is called least significant digit. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, let me move ahead. So students, one more thing, if I will ask what is the position of these numbers, these digits, so then you will say 3 is on unit place, 2 is on, what you will say, you will say, what you will say, 10th position, and 1 is on 100 position. Will you say this or not? Will you say this or not? This 3 is on unit position, this is on 10th position, this is on 100 position. So we can we write 3 multiply 10 power 10 power 0? 10 power 0 means 1. Do you know, if any that means if any digit is having power 0, then the value will be how much? 1. Do you know this thing? Do you know this thing or not? If any digit is having power 0, then its value becomes 1. Do you know this thing, students? No, this is mathematics term, students. What? No, sir. You know this 20 power 0. What is the value of this? What is the value of this? What? 20 power 0. The value will be 1. Listen. If any digit is having very good. Okay, so listen. You got this point today, so just remember for your future. So students, that means it will start from 10 power 0. So 10 power 0 becomes 1, or it will multiply 7. So it gives 7. 10 power 1. What is the value of 10 power 1? What is the value of 10 power 1? 10 power 1 value 1. 10. So 4 multiply 10, answer will be 40. What is the value of 10 power 2? What is the value of 10 power 2? 20. 10 power 2 value 100. You know, you do not know the power thing, power numbers. 10 multiply 10, and the value will be, what is the value? 100. Okay, so 10 multiply 10 becomes 100. So you should know 10 power 2 becomes 100. You should know. So 10 power 2, that means 10 multiply 10. Students, I am showing the pictures also. I will upload the video, don't worry. I will upload the video, just watch it, and you will get the, you can watch the video on YouTube. Okay, students? So 10 multiply 10, 100, 100 multiply 5, 500. So it gives answer 500. So 500 plus 400 plus 7, it answer gives 547. So this is the number 547. So it gives complete number. Next come to the octal number. Students, are you listening me? Are you listening me? Okay, next come to the binary number, students. So what are the binary numbers? Basically binary numbers is made of only 2 digits. Binary number is, just mute your G many voice is coming, very bad. Voice is coming. Do not, there should not coming any voice from your side. I think the voice is coming from Mahpus side. Mahpus, Mahpus. Okay, you will get the video also. So students, what are the binary numbers? The numbers which is made by two numbers 0 and 1 is called binary numbers. So binary numbers, if you see any numbers which is made like 1 0 0 1 1 0, so you can easily say that this is a binary number. So what is the base of binary number? As I informed to you, the decimal number is made by 10 digits, so it is having the base 10. In the same way, the binary number is made by 2 digits, so it will be the base. What is the base? What should be the base? What should be the base? Students, the base will be 2, as same as decimal number, because it is also having the base. It is made by 2 digits, so it will have base 2. Okay students, next come to the octal number. What are octal numbers? Basically, the numbers which is made by 8 digit. Listen very carefully. The numbers which is made by 8 digit is called octal number. So which 8 digits is it is made? It is made by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So if you will count 0 to 7, then it gives 8 digit. So suppose if I have, so this octal number is made by 8 digits, this students. So that means it is having base 8. If I write this number 1 2 3 base 8, so can you understand this is a octal number? Can you see, if anyone will write this number, so you can easily say that this is an octal number. Can you say this, students? Can you say this? Is this octal number? Nida Khan. Okay, this is octal number. Okay, very nice. So if I write this number, listen, 9 9 base 8. So is this octal number or not? Is this octal number? Okay, listen, is this octal number or not? Why? 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 Why this is not octal number? Why this is not octal number? 0 to 7, 0 to 7, not 1 to 7. Really, really, right, right. Very, very nice. Okay, very nice answer. I'm very happy to listen this. This is not a octal number because this number is having 9 9 and 9. Okay, very nice. You will watch my video on YouTube also. So 9 9 9 9 9 9 belong, 9 is not belong to the octal digit. So students, thank you. Okay, so students, very very nice, and we will meet on next video. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you.